muscles, much like your dog's muscles, are really just bundles of protein inside of a larger bundle, which is inside of a larger bundle, which is inside of a larger bundle. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Behind me is what your muscle looks like. Now, this here, down here, this is a myofibril, and that's a bundle of protein. So I said your muscle is just bundles of protein inside of a bigger bundle. So this bundle of protein, this myofibril, is inside of a bigger bundle, which is called the myofiber. That's your muscle cell. So this is a myofiber. Now, myofibers are surrounded by a plasma membrane known as a sarcolemma, and then surrounded by a layer of connective tissue, which is known as the endomysium. Now, your individual myofibers that are surrounded by the sarcolemma and then surrounded by the endomysium are bundled into a larger bundle known as a fascicle, known as a muscle fascicle. And the muscle fascicles are surrounded by a layer of connective tissue, and that layer of connective tissue is called the perimysium. Now, these individual fascicles with their surrounding perimysium are bundled into a larger bundle, and that's what we refer to as your muscle. So this is your entire muscle here, and the entire muscle is surrounded by another layer of connective tissue, which is known as the epimysium. So you have an entire muscle surrounded by the epimysium, which is made up of fascicles surrounded by the perimysium, and the fascicles are made up of muscle cells, myofibers, surrounded by the endomysium, and the individual muscle cells are made of packages of protein known as myofibrils. So make sure you hit the like, follow, and share button, and we'll come back and we'll talk about what makes up these myofibrils. Later.